In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a regular email campaign from your audience dashboard. We'll walk through the process from setting up your main subscriber database all the way to launching your campaign. This is a straightforward workflow, and once you understand the order of each part, it becomes much easier to build emails efficiently and avoid missing anything important. To begin, look at the main panel of your account and click Audience. From there, select Audience Dashboard. This is where you establish and manage your primary subscriber database. Think of this area as the foundation of your email marketing setup because it's where your audience information lives and where your campaign activity connects back to your contacts. Before moving on, it's always a good idea to make sure you're working from the correct audience so your email goes to the intended group. Next, go to the top left of your Chrome window and click Create. When the menu appears, choose Regular Email. This opens the standard email campaign builder and takes you into the setup flow for a new message. A regular email is typically the right option when you want to send a one-time campaign to your subscribers, whether that's a newsletter, announcement, update, or promotion. Once you're inside the campaign builder, start filling in the main setup fields in order. Begin with the To field, where you choose the audience or segment that should receive the email. Then complete the From field so recipients can clearly recognize who the message is coming from. After that, enter your subject line. This is especially important because it's one of the first things people see in their inbox. Keep it clear and relevant to the content of your message. Finally, move into the content section where you'll build the body of the email itself. For the design portion, use the drag and drop block interface to create your template. This editor allows you to place and arrange content visually, which makes it easier to organize the layout without needing to code anything manually. As you build, focus on keeping the design clean, readable, and aligned with your message. Make sure the spacing, text, and visual hierarchy help guide the reader naturally from top to bottom. When everything looks the way you want, go to the top right and click Send or Schedule. Use Send if your campaign is ready to go out immediately, or choose Schedule if you want it delivered at a later time. This is the final step that launches your active campaign, so take a moment to review everything before confirming. And that's how to create, design, and launch a regular email campaign